Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing how to cook fried pork at home. Start by adding pork to a pan or a sufuria, and you do not have to add any water to start cooking. Just cook it on low flame, ensuring that you keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. As the pork continues to cook, you are going to realize that there will be some water or juices that are going to be released from the pork, and this is the reason why you do not have to add any water when cooking it. And once the water dries completely, now go ahead and add your chopped onions. And one more thing guys, I do not add any cooking oil or cooking fat to pork when I'm cooking, because pork is already so fatty as it is. Keep stirring to ensure that the onions are well incorporated into the pork. Now just cover the sufuria and leave the pork to cook for some time, ensuring that you keep checking. At this point now, I went ahead and added crushed garlic. I used just 5 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. If you do not have fresh garlic and ginger, you can use the powder spices as well. And after adding these two into the mix, just continue stirring, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. The reason why I keep stirring meat when cooking, especially pork, is because, like I said, first, there is no water, and second, it is just to ensure that the pot doesn't burn. Just cover the pot and you're going to leave it so that the garlic and the ginger can cook. So garlic and ginger do not take too long to cook, so at this point they were ready, and now we are ready to move on to the next step. Now at this point guys, you can start adding your veggies. I added 3 chopped tomatoes, and you're going to give this a proper stir, just ensuring, like I said, ensuring that the veggies come together with the meat nicely, and you're going to start enjoying the smell of the pork at this point. Sorry, the aroma. You're going to cover the tomatoes to cook. And once they are fully cooked, now go ahead and add your bell peppers. I used the red, yellow and the green capsicum, but you can choose whatever works for you, or whatever you've got at hand, use that. Just keep stirring and ensure that the veggies are well incorporated into the pork. And guys, if you do not get any other thing from this video, just note that you should not add any oil to pork when you are cooking it, unless you want your food to be so oily. And then I went ahead and added soy sauce, just a few drops, but now this is optional, you do not have to do it. And then I went ahead and gave this a good stir. And guys, since I do not like to cook my peppers fully, I love them crunchy, so this was almost towards the end of the cooking process, so the flame was very low. And last but not least, I went ahead and added some dhania. If you do not have dhania and you've got coriander powder, this would be the most appropriate time to add it. Give it a good stir, ensuring that it doesn't burn. So guys, like you've seen here, I did not add any water, and it took me almost 45 minutes to prepare the pork, so the pork was fully cooked. You do not have to fear that it doesn't cook. Just make sure to cook on low flame, keep stirring, and also add your ingredients gradually. And guys, at this point the pork was ready. It was smelling so delicious. I loved it so much. And guys, this is my recipe for pork. I would like for you to try it and tell me how it works for you, as it works for me best. And guys, thank you so much for sticking up to this end of the video, and I hope you like it. See you in my next one.